Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 2 squared. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm simply going to ignore this 2 squared, and let's go ahead and focus here on 2 to the power of 18. So if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m times n. And this same thing actually also works vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So as you can see here, we have 2 to the power of 18, and 18, this can be written as 9 times 2, right? So now we have 2 to the power of 9 times 2 minus 2 squared. Now 9 times 2, remember a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 9 times 2, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2. Now minus 2 squared. Now 2 to the power of 9 squared is the same thing as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 9. Now minus 2 squared. And 2 to the power of 9 is 512. You guys should know that because you guys should know your powers of 2. So now we have 512 times 512 minus 2 squared. Now 512 times 512 is 262,144. And we have minus 2 squared is the same thing as 4. And this is equal to 262,144 minus 4 is simply 262,140. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this algebraic equation. So we have x factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 6 factorial. Now, 10 factorial, this is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So it's equal to 10 multiplied by n minus 1 all the way up to 1. Now we are dividing this by 6 factorial, which is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, if you notice, we have 6 on our numerator as well as 6 on our denominator, so these two can cancel out. Same thing with 5, same thing with 4, and same thing with all the terms below 6. So now all we're left with is simply 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. And this is equal to x factorial. Now 10, this is equal to 5 times 2. 9 is equal to 3 times 3. 8 is equal to 4 times 2. And 7 is just 7. We can't simplify that anymore. Now, we want to find all the numbers from 2 going up. So we already have 2, right? So 2 times, so we could Cancel that out. Now we have a 3. So write 3. Now we have a 4. We have a 5. Now we don't actually have a 6. However, 3 times 2 is 6. So then these two cancel out. And finally, we have a 7. So we could think of 1 times this, because 1 times anything is self. And as you can see, this is equal to 7 factorial, because it's 7 times 7 minus 1 times 7 minus 2, going on until 1. So this means that x is equal to 7.